Alright, it's time to make our bread. It is really simple and easy. So, I've already weighed up our starter and it's 400 grams. I've already done our water and it's 500 mils. We need 1 tablespoon of honey, 10 grams of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil, and our keto bread mix. Alright. First, we pour in our water. Now, we add our honey. Now it's time for our keto bread mix. It's time. This on a low. Now, we always put the salt and the oil last because if we put them in with the rest of them, it will damage the starter. So it will grow slower. I just want to add the salt. Then, now we only use olive oil or avocado oil in our cooking because when we use seed oils and all those, they're not really that good for your health. And let it mix for 5 minutes. Alright, so in the last minute we turn it down. Okay.
Now, why do we dust it, boys?
It's so that the dough doesn't stick to your area of working.
What are we making today?
Baguettes. That smells really nice.
And what weight are you going to scale it up at, James?
We're going to scale up to 350 grams. Turn it on. Perfect. Just wait for it to go on. Yeah.
Is it hard to cut?
No. It's actual one of my favorite parts of making. Oh, you were close. So you just add a bit more until you get to your desired weight. Yeah. Doesn't matter if it's a bit over though. Like a little bit over. There we go. Oh, that's perfect. For us, this is our favourite part because we like to try and make it perfect on the first try. Kind of everybody's goal. It's perfect. Now, and finally,
And can you make like any type of bread out of this mix?
oh, totally, yeah.
And could you make things like bagels?
Yeah.
Or could you make tacos?
Yeah.
Or you could make rolls? Whatever you decide to make, or loaves?
Yeah, you can just do whatever you
Or cobs?
Yeah, cobs.
And what could you do with the cobs?
Oh, you could stuff them with goulash.
Ah, now that we're
See
talking.
one of those videos.
Okay, boys. Watch what I'm doing. Try to get a square. Okay, so a little fold, press like that. Very good, James. Like that. Very good, Max. And another little fold, press like that. Cool. And then the last fold, like that. So you already got the baguette shape. So you want to roll the middle and then roll it separately, and you can feel the high and low spots.
That actually feels really nice.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's have a look. Don't roll it too much. That's pretty perfect.
Mine needs to be a bit.
No, Maxie, just don't press on it too much.
It just needs a little bit of TLC. That's all.
Thank you, James. Alright. And that is how you roll baguettes.
Yes.
Now we put them into the mold and we're done. And how long do we let it rest for?
An hour.
And then what do we do?
Then we chuck it in the oven.
Yeah, but what do we do before we throw it in the oven?
Oh, cut it.
Okay.
Well, you need to cut it.
Oven.
Here is some baguettes that we've made previously before the video, and from the mixer bowl to being in a dough onto the bench, moulding it and putting it on the tray and putting it in the oven, it would take around 2 hours. And we made the dough, put it down on the bench, dusted some flour before we put it on the bench, and then we moulded it, or we cut it up, moulded it, then we let it rest for 1 hour, then we cut it like that, and then we put it on the tray and put it into the oven, and with all that you'll get this. It was so simple and easy. Enjoy.